Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all going to be about my top 5 favorite products that helped heal my acne, and yeah, these are some of my favorites. If you have missed watching my previous parts of my acne journey, I will just leave the links in the description box below, or I'll leave the link cards over here, so you can definitely watch it out. And yeah, let's get into the video. Before that, don't forget to click that red subscribe button and join Stylefit fam. Also, you can click that bell icon and get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. Sorry for that long intro, guys. So today, as you have already known in the thumbnail and the title, today I'm going to share my top 5 products that I have kept over here, which are my favorites, and it's been life-changing for my hormonal acne, and it has made my life easier to manage my acne. Yes. So first and foremost, the one product that just is my game changer in my acne journey, I would say, and my skin looks today is mainly because of this. It's none other than double cleansing. So I've been using this Plum's hemp cleansing oil, and Suganda's squalene cleansing oil is also my absolute favorite. I've emptied 2 bottles of it, and I'm unable to take it from my upper cupboard, and I'm lazy pretty now, so that's why I took my second favorite, which is the hemp cleansing oil from Plum Goodness. So this is an absolute favorite. It's a very lightweight oil, guys. Even that the Suganda's one and even the Plum one, both are lightweight oils. This has hemp as a key ingredient, and that has squalene as a key ingredient, which is both are great for all skin types. Yeah, both of them, they gently remove the makeup and the sunscreen and all the dirt and grime. If you have like acne prone skin, like every day double cleansing is so good to just unclog your pores and cleanse your pores every day. So this is my favorite. And if you have acne prone skin, and if you're using water resistant sunscreens or makeup or whatnot, double cleansing will definitely be your game changer as well. So my second favorite product, not only a product, it would be an ingredient as well in common to say. It is a great one for acne prone or sensitive skin, and that is the aloe vera. So today I'm going to speak about Pure by Priyanka Aloe Moisture Surge. So this aloe moisture surge not only calms down my acne or my skin, it also hydrates my skin so well because it has both aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in it. And this is my absolute favorite. It's my second bottle, and I would definitely repurchase it because it's worth every penny. I usually use it as a toner during my chemical exfoliation days, because during chemical exfoliation days I would never touch any other actives in my routine. I would just go over this and then follow up with a moisturizer. My skin would look so good, hydrated, plump and healthy. I really like it a lot, and if you have acne prone skin or irritated skin, incorporating this in your routine would do so good for your skin. The third favorite product or the ingredient in itself, I would say, is niacinamide. So today I'm going to share about the Suganda's niacinamide serum. So this has 5% niacinamide in it. It not only has niacinamide, it also has centella, panthenol and hyaluronic acid, which in itself is a great blend of ingredients for acne prone, irritated or sensitive skin. Yes, if you have also oily skin, you can definitely get this one. It is great to just regulate your sebum production and calm down and heal the inflammation of your acne, and also it can calm down your irritated skin. I absolutely like it a lot, and incorporating niacinamide in your routine is a great addition to your skin. So the fourth product or the ingredient that has been a game changer in my acne journey is salicylic acid. So today I'm going to speak about Klear Acne Edit Serum. So this has salicylic acid, zinc PCA, potassium acyloyl diglycinate, which is PAD, a form of or a derivative of acylic acid, which is great for acne as well as acne marks. So this product is really worth every penny, and I absolutely love it. Not only this, any salicylic acid serum like 2% salicylic acid serum works very well, and if you are a beginner to chemical exfoliation or salicylic acid in particular, you can definitely start off with any salicylic acid face washes. Even Klear has an acne edit face wash, which is great. And I also love Dot and Key's Cica and salicylic acid face wash. Both are so good. And also Foxtail's acne clarifying face wash is also so good. All these three are great for beginners, so you can definitely try them out. And incorporating salicylic acid in your routine, both as a wash of mask or as a spot treatment, works so well, and I absolutely love it a lot. So the fifth and the final product that has been a game changer or a life savior for my active acne are acne patches. So I have two acne patches with me. Both work so well. One is the spot patch acne patch and the other one is the Klear Pro acne patch. So both of these are so good. They are my life saviors. Even today I have worn an acne patch because I had an active acne, and yeah, I had to apply makeup for the videos. So I just put on the acne patch and it is safe. I don't need to worry about my active acne being irritated and whatnot. So yeah, it would stay calm and safe, and also it would just suck out all the junks from the acne, and it's gonna clean out so well, and it's gonna be an easy peasy life with your acne. Also, these wouldn't work on whiteheads or blackheads. It only works on pustules or the active acne that you have on your face, and also it wouldn't work on your nodule or cystic acne as well. So be careful or mindful on which product you choose for which type of acne. That's it for the today's video, guys. So today is a short video because I'm splitting this into series so that it will be quick and small little videos, and it will be helpful for you as well. Do let me know if you want me to share how I deal with acne marks, and also how I prevent acne and how I heal acne quickly. So do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to share. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to share, and also share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefit for more self-care, makeup, hair, some fashion content as well. Yes, that's it, guys. Until next time, bye bye.